Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you the latest trending effect called Rotoscope on TikTok. This is another fun TikTok effect where it basically changes your video view into a cartoon animation of the person you're recording. To use this effect, open up your TikTok app. Now tap on search and search for Rotoscope. It should appear in the search results under effects and should look like this. Tap on it. While you're here, browse through the videos on how your videos will turn out. There are two trending music you can use on this. One is Captain Whistle and the other one is Never Dull Gypsy in My Mind. Choose the song you want to do the video on and tap on it. Then from the video, tap on Use this effect at the bottom right. Now this will take you to TikTok's recording screen. The music is set, so you just need to tap on record, and then as the beat kicks in, nod your head and the effect should start off. Tapping on yourself will change the sunglasses style, so I suggest choose this before you start. One tip, try recording yourself from top to bottom, which will give a better effect. After recording a video, add your text, stickers, then post it on TikTok. And that is how to use the rotoscope effect on TikTok. If you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit the like button, and most importantly, please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.